So I was sent this PEX crimping set from iCrimp and asked you my opinion on it, make this short video. To give you a nice carry box for the key tools that come in this kit. A little instruction manual, the guide in order to check your proper crimp sizing, as well as some spare retaining clips. These are necessary. I'll give you a couple of those. There's like 3 of them. Those are necessary when you're making adjustments to the tool. If you like, you might lose one, so they give you some extras. It's pretty nice. Good thinking ahead. This is the guide that's going to check our crimp if it's proper or not. And here are the tools they provide. So you're going to get a cutting tool for you to be able to cut PEX. You're going to get a pair of ratcheting pliers here, and then you're going to get both of the crimping tools, one for the 1/2-inch size pipe and the other for the 3/4, which is really common in houses like mine. It comes with also a whole bunch of different collars that you're going to need for the crimping process here, the 3/4 and the 1/2-inch. So let's go ahead and start with the cutting tool. Show you how that works here. Spring loaded. You're going to put your PEX. You want to have a nice square cut, and this has got a pretty good base here by which the cutting tool will slide into, because I've got a bit of an angle on this piece already. This shouldn't be able to cut it nice and square, just like that. I get a pretty good cut there, and cuts through it very easily. So easy one-handed work with this one, and it cuts well. Nice sharp blade on it. As far as the crimping tools go, this is a 3/4 inch of PEX. Here's that 3/4 inch. For it to fit in here, I'm going to select one of these collars from the 3/4 container. You're going to apply your fitting. It's going to have that female part of the hose covering the male part of the fitting. It's going to slide in there. You're going to put your female of the crimping portion on the outside here. So you're going to slide in that piece like this here, and then you're going to apply the crimping tool to it, and you're going to test that you get the right size using this guide here. This covers both 1/2-inch and 3/4. The way the tool's going to work is you're going to open it all the way up like this. Now that, if you first just do this, it feels like, oh, it's not far enough. It needs to open up a little more. Well, you just draw back on this a little bit and then bring it down, and look, it opens up all that way like this. So you're able to get this onto your plumbing. It's got a pretty compact head, so if you're in tight quarters, it's going to help, but it is going to open wide enough to get right over to your fitting as you need. So I'm going to come over to my fitting here and then lower it down, and then just try to center that up in the crimping tool like this. Slide this down a little bit. And now this is going to give you that mechanical leverage that you need to do a nice compressed and balanced squeeze all the way around all at the same time. So I'm just going to squeeze this down and hold it in place. And I just did that very easily, but look, I've got a nice, perfectly smooth grip all the way around that. And now the same thing, I'm going to do the release. Just open it up a little bit like this, pull back, and now I've let go. So I've got that crimp on there just perfect, it looks like. And now I can check that using the guide that they give you. It should go down and just kind of stick at that line right here that says go. So you don't want it to bottom out into the guide, and you don't want it to get stuck outside. You just want to fit just in there like this, so that the bottom edge here is showing you the go sign right there. And that's it. That's a perfect crimp every time from this tool from iCrimp. Very complete set. It's compact. You just throw this thing in your toolbox, and if you've got a PEX issue that pops up in your world, you've got the ability to deal with it right on site.